Refer to section 9 of the construction guide. In this video, we are going to mount the face panels, parts I, to the completed bed frame. The face panels for the king-size Murphy bed are quite large and require a good flat working surface with adequate space. Make sure the face panels are not warped or twisted. This could cause problems with the bed later. We start by laying the left and right panels, parts I, on the floor. It is very important that the panels line up properly and the two inner edges are flush. Also, there should be no gap where the panels join. The panels are now ready for measuring and marking, as in section 9 of the construction guide. When measuring and marking the face panels, it is very important the following measurements are done correctly. The footer end of the face panels should have a 3/4 inch line from the finished edge as shown here. This measurement is very important, so the bed will function properly when finished. Using a large drywall square or similar will be a great help in marking the face panels. Measure and mark the long edge of the face panels. This measurement should be 1/2 inch. Repeat for the other long side. The face panels are now marked and ready to receive the bed frame. Double check your measurements and make sure they are correct. The left and right sides of the face panels should have a 1/2 inch line. The footer end should have a 3/4 inch line. The king-size bed frame is quite large, so you may need a helper for this step. Set up the bed frame at the header end of the face panels. Construction adhesive or similar is recommended to secure the bed frame to the face panels. Carpenter's wood glue may not be suitable. Gloves are also recommended for this step. Run a generous bead of glue along the struts of the bed frame as well as the sides. Continue applying adhesive until all 6 frame struts and both frame sides are generously covered. We recommend using a helper for this step. Slowly lower the bed frame onto the face panels, making sure the bed frame falls within the pencil lines. Align the bed frame on the 3/4 inch line at the footer end. The footer end of the bed frame should be on the 3/4 inch pencil line. Make sure there is no gap and the two face panels are flush. The bed frame should also be on, or up to 1/8 inch inside, of the 1/2 inch lines on the long sides of both panels. Use 1 1/4 inch long wood screws to secure the bed frame to the face panels. It is very important, when driving the screws, this sequence is followed, to make sure the bed frame is square on the face panels. Failure to follow this step properly will result in issues later, with the bed frame possibly rubbing on the cabinet sides. Drive the screws first in areas A, then areas B. Press down with your foot or knee on the frame struts while driving the screws to make sure the struts make good contact with the face panels. Now make sure the bed frame is within the 1/2 inch lines at the header end. The bed frame should be flush with the face panels at the header end. However, the face panels may extend up to 1/8 inch past the header end of the bed frame. Drive screw C, followed by D. After driving the screws in sequence, as shown here, proceed to drive more screws every 6 to 8 inches through all the struts. The face panels must be properly secured to the bed frame, given the size of the king-size Murphy bed. Failure to do this properly could result in the face panels separating from the bed frame during use. The complete bed frame is now ready for the handles in section 10.